Hello, this video talks about options in Canvas for setting a course homepage. If I go to one of my classes here, you'll see that the homepage is where you land as a student. So when you first log into a class, what will your students see? That is set over on the right-hand side with this Choose Homepage button. Today I'm going to cover three options: the page's front page, the course modules, and the syllabus. Let's actually start with course modules. If I make that selection here and click Save, you'll see that the modules for this class are displayed here. So if I go to Home, this is exactly what students are going to see when they enter your class. I don't prefer this because it isn't very informative. It doesn't tell students what to do or give them critical information about the class. It just leaves them up to start wandering around on their own. So what I prefer is one of two other options. So I'm going to go back to Choose Homepage, and we're going to talk about the page's front page first. So if I click this here, you'll see it indicates that my Welcome and About Your Instructor page is set as the front page. I will show you how to do that in a second. If I click Save, you'll now see that the home page indicated here, I'm on my home page, is going to be this welcome message. Tells the students, welcome, what we're going to do to get started, and scroll down and gives them some information about me as their instructor. So when a student logs in, this is what they would see. The way that you set this page is you're going to go to your pages, and you'll see that when you click pages, it defaults to whatever is flagged as your front page. So right now, my Welcome About Your Instructor page is flagged as such. If I click to view all pages, it's going to list all the pages in my class. And if I scroll down, you'll see it's flagged as the front page. If I click over on the three dots, I can remove it as the front page. If I do that, it's no longer flagged as a front page. I could go back over here and click Use as front page. But let's say that I picked something different. Let's say that this course syllabus is one of the pages in my class. Use as front page. Now you'll see that that's designated as at the front page. If I go back over here to Home, it's going to now use this page, my syllabus page, as the home page. And if I were to go over to Choose Home Page, you'll now see that my page's front page is selected and this course syllabus page is designated as such. You can go ahead and change that here as well. If I click Change, it will take me directly to the page listings, and you'll see right here, this is designated as the front page, but I'm going to go ahead and go back down to my welcome page at the very bottom and go ahead and make that use as front page. So that's now my front page again. So once again, if I were to click Home, it's back to my welcome page as that home page. Now I'm going to show you the option that I choose in my classes. So I'm going to go to Choose Home Page, and I'm going to choose the syllabus option and click Save. And I want to show you what students see when they first log into the class. So I'm going to click Home. And when they first log in, they're going to actually see this page that has a course banner, has information, the key information about me and the course. We scroll down, they have a welcome video. I put a new one there each semester. Some information about how to get started in the class, and then quick links to the modules each week. And then below that is this course summary. And this is something that Canvas automatically generates with all of the due dates. It even puts in things like the office hours from the calendar, their quizzes that are going to be given in class, everything they're going to be doing in the class is automatically controlled here by Canvas. Now, you'll notice that I said I picked syllabus, and this is clearly not a syllabus. The reason why I do this is because when you use Canvas's syllabus feature, it allows you to put that course summary on the bottom, and I feel like students really value that, and it's something that's really easy for them to use. So you could use the course syllabus as your syllabus and make it your front page. What I do is I use this course syllabus page as a generic kind of introductory page, and I kind of trick Canvas into putting that course summary in there at the bottom. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you need to use the native syllabus page in Canvas, which you can see on the left-hand side is available here. I'm going to click Syllabus. And now you'll see this is my course syllabus page. And once again, this is clearly not a course syllabus. And then I populate that page with anything that I want to appear on my home page. And that course summary, again, appears at the bottom. If I click Edit, one thing you'll want to be really careful about is after you enter all of your content, you'll see that it ends at my quick links there. You want to make sure that this course summary is checked. So once I've done that, it's going to, again, populate that page with not my syllabus, but some generic information about that. And then the course summary is there at the bottom. And then I can go over and go to the home page and then ensure that under Choose Home Page, the syllabus option is selected. And so that way it's going to use the syllabus in Canvas, which again is not a syllabus, and then go ahead and place that really useful course summary at the bottom. Now, I'd like to reiterate that you could use your syllabus as your class syllabus and have that as your home page. That would be completely fine. I just choose to make it more of an introductory page. You can also use the syllabus as the syllabus and then go ahead over here and use a front page for all of this kind of introductory information. The only issue with that is that you don't get that course summary at the bottom, so that listing of assignments. So it's really up to you. One last thing that would be good to mention is that if you do use this option where I'm kind of using the syllabus for something that's not the syllabus, I would recommend hiding that from your students. So you'll notice that while I can see this, it is disabled and not visible to students. Because if you do have it over here visible to students and they click on it and it doesn't take them to the syllabus, it's going to be very confusing to them. So you want to hide that. If you know how to do that, you can go ahead and go. If you don't, I'm going to show you really quickly at the end of this video. You would click Settings. You're going to go over to Navigation, and you're just going to want to make sure that that syllabus does not appear in this top block. So you'll notice for me, the syllabus is down here. You can drag it around. So let's say that for some reason it was in that top block and it was being shown to students. You would just drag it down to this bottom section, scroll to the bottom, and then go ahead and click Save. And then that way, it'll ensure that it's just like mine where your syllabus is hidden from students, and so it wouldn't be confusing. I hope that was helpful and that it helps you choose a great homepage for your class. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Faculty Development Center, CSUF. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at fdc.fullerton.edu.